A positively charged thin metal ring of radius r is fixed in the xy plane with its center at the origin O. A negatively charged particle P is released from rest at the point 0, 0, z0, where z0 is greater than 0. Then motion of P is option A, periodic for all values of z0, satisfying z0 lying between 0 and infinity, simple harmonic for all values of z0, satisfying z0 lying between 0 and r, approximately simple harmonic provided z0 is very much less than r, such that P crosses O and continues to move along the negative z axis towards z is equal to minus infinity. So, the given situation can be represented by a diagram. So, there is a ring in the xy plane. So, assume this is the ring, this is in the xy plane. So, this is y axis, this is your x axis. Assume this is horizontal. So, z axis will be this way and center of the ring is at the origin. Radius of the ring is given, it is equal to r. So, this is your z axis. Now, here is the point P where 0, 0, z0 it is, where it is placed. So, let OP is equal to z0. OP is equal to z0. Now, field at P is equal to k q into x0 divided by r square plus z0 square whole to the power 3 by 2. So, here at the place of x we have z0. So, z0 divided by r square plus z0 square whole to the power 3 by 2, and this electric field is always directed away from O. So, it is in this direction, this is the direction of electric field. So, it is away from O. Now, a negatively charged particle is always accelerated towards O and undergoes periodic motion. So, option A is correct. Further, for z0 very much less than r, acceleration is proportional to z coordinate. Acceleration will be proportional to z0 because field is proportional to z0, force will be proportional to z0 and acceleration will be proportional to z0. Hence, for this condition the particle undergoes approximate simple harmonic motion. Approximate simple harmonic motion. Right? Hence, option C is correct, and it moves such that P crosses O and continues to move along the negative z axis towards z is equal to minus infinity. So, option D is also correct. Answer is A, C and D.